students, how are you? Today we'll start new topic, how to find out the roots of the quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. Yesterday we have done how to find out the roots by using factorization method. So now by using quadratic formula, what is the quadratic equation? General form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So by using quadratic formula, how to find out the roots means values of x. So if power is 2, then 2 values of x will come. So you learn this formula. What this? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You learn this formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And where a, b, c you know very well. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term independent of x. So now you learn this formula, then two values will come of x. So we are taking any example, any sum we are taking. For example, we are saying 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0, or you can say it is second question, first part you can see. Find the roots of the quadratic equation given in question 1. So applying quadratic formula. So I have told by using this formula, it is a quadratic formula, you start. And what is, first of all you compare with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here what do you say? A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 3. So now formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now put the value minus, what is b here? B is minus 7. So minus of minus 7 plus minus under root b square minus 7 square minus 4 into, what do you say? A into c. 2 into c value is 3 upon 2a. What is a? A value is 2. So minus minus plus, and this minus 7 square 49, 4 to the 8, 8 3 ja 24 upon 2 to the 4. So 7 plus minus 49 minus 24, 25, it is 4. 7 plus minus 5 by 4. So my dear students, these are the, you can see here, these are the value of 7 plus minus 5 by 4. So now what you will do, these are the two values of x. So first we will take positive sign, 7 plus 5 by 4. Second you will take negative sign, x is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4. Because you see plus minus. So first case I am taking positive sign. Second case I am taking negative sign. So 7 plus 5, 12 by 4. X is equal to 3 is there. Clear this? Now second, x is equal to 7 minus 5, 2 by 4. So x is equal to, cancel this, 1 by 2. So here 7 plus 5, what do you say? It is 12 by 4 is 3. So these are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. Understand? So my dear students, in this way we can solve any question, any equation. So one more part I am solving so that your method will clear. So next question you see. Next question, if you see for example simple third question, first part you see. First part is x, solve this, x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. X minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. You have to solve. It means now you have to check. Understand? By which method you can solve? He is saying just you have to solve. Solve the equation. Find out value of x. Then you have to see by which method you can solve. Simple. What you will do? Take the LCM. LCM is x. X into x. X square minus 1 is equal to 3. Now cross multiply. X square minus 1 is equal to 3x. Now x square 3x shift here. So minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now he is asking solve. If you say sir by factorization method, if you make the factor it is impossible, because you see the product is minus 1, and then if you multiply and inverse table minus 1 is coming in 1 in the 1. If you multiply then you get minus 1, but you add and subtract, it is not coming, 3 is not coming. So this equation it is impossible by factorization method. So this method is applicable in every statement. Understand? If factors are possible, then we can ask find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization. But if we say solve the quadratic equation, then it means if you apply 100% quadratic formula, then roots will come. Understand? So my dear students, first you compare with standard form. You know the method. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So therefore by comparing, a is equal to 1. Don't say a is equal to x square. A is the coefficient of x square. B is equal to minus 3. C is equal to minus 1. So now for finding roots, what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon, what do you say, 2a. So minus b, what is b value here? Minus 3 plus minus b square minus 3 square 4a into c upon 2a. A is 1. So minus into minus plus minus, this you see minus 3 square, it is plus 9. So minus into minus plus 4 upon 2. So this is 3 plus minus root 13 upon 2. It is rational, it is irrational, you can't add. So my dear students, what do you say? These are the two values. So one will take positive sign and one will take negative sign. So 3 plus root 3 by 2. Another is with negative sign 3 minus root 3 by 2. So you can say, so therefore answer is 3 plus root 13 by 2. Another is 3 minus root 13 by 2. These are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. So my dear students, if any equation is there, so what method you will take? First take LCM, cross multiply, you will get the equation, then you have to solve. Clear this? So one more, we'll start. You see this third question, second part also. This third question, second part, you read the statement. He is saying solve and find the roots of the equation. That is 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. So now see, fraction is there. If any fraction is there in statement, what you will do? You take first LCM, as you have done in first part. Fraction was there, then you are taking LCM. Now what is LCM here? X plus 4 into x minus 7. So x plus 4 cancel. X minus 7 1 ja, x minus 7. So x minus 7 x minus cancel. X plus 4 1 ja, x plus 4. So now x minus 7 upside, outside minus sign is there, then sign will change. So minus x minus 4, and downside it is product, then multiply x into x minus 7. So x square minus 7x, 4 into 4x minus 28, 11 by 30. So it is plus x minus x cancel. So minus 11 upon x square, it is, you can see, minus 7x plus 4x minus 3x minus 28 upon 11 by 30. So now cross multiply. Just you see 11 into something. 11 into x square minus 3x minus 28 minus 11 into 30. Now it is up to you. You can multiply or you can divide also. So you see x square minus 3x minus 28 into 11 into 30 by 11. It is cancelled. So it is minus 30. So x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus 30. So x square minus 3x minus 20x plus 30 is equal to 0. 30 minus 28 plus 2. So my dear students, this is the quadratic equation. So this is the main equation you see. So what I have done, I am taking the LCM, cross multiply, simplifying, and then I am getting this quadratic equation because power is 2. Now he is saying find the roots of this. Clear this? Now it is up to you. We can apply by any method. He is saying solve this. If you say if factorization possible, because it is not given, then solve by using quadratic formula. In the statement he is saying solve this, find the roots of the given equation. If method is given, then you apply this method. Clear this? If it is possible, then find out. Otherwise you see x square minus 3x plus 2. Factorization is possible or not? I think you see product is 2. Then you see 2 and 2. You can apply. Factors will come here. So x square 2 and 2 minus 2x minus 1x plus 2 equal to 0. So minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, it is plus 2. So x common, x minus 2 here, minus 1 common, it is x minus 2. So this x minus 2 outside. So x minus 1 inside. So product of two factors are equal to 0. So either x minus 2 equal to 0, that is x is equal to 2, or x minus 1 equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1. So it is very much important question. In exam, if we ask find the roots of the equation, now here this is the equation. If roots are possible factorization, then you apply factorization. It is easy. You will save the time in exam. But if he is asking solve by quadratic formula, then also we can apply this solve by quadratic formula. If you say I can try here by using this quadratic formula, understand? You see here, if you say I am solving this by using quadratic formula, so by using quadratic formula, I am telling you just simple. You compare. This is the equation x square minus 3x plus 2. So what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2. 2a. So what is b here? Minus b. What is b here? It is a, it is b, it is c. So minus of minus 3 plus minus. So you see here b square minus 3 square minus 4a into c upon 2a. So minus minus plus. You see here minus 3 square 9, 4 to the 8 upon 2. 3 plus minus under root 1 by 2. This is 3 plus minus 1 by 2. So these are the values of x. So now 2 times you separate here, 1 for positive and 1 for negative. So it is 4 by 2, 2, and it is 2 by 2, 1. So one answer is x is equal to 1. Answer is x is equal to 2. Clear this? So my dear students, here after this equation, I explained by factorization method. You save the time. But if by chance in exam it is given, solve the equation by using quadratic formula. Then after this equation, you apply this quadratic formula. This is the formula. Then find the two roots. You apply this method. It is compulsory for you because it is asking by using quadratic formula. So my dear students, so in this way you can do so many questions from extra books. Now we are doing one more question. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Find the roots of this quadratic equation. So by using quadratic formula, you see, you compare with standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So now compare. So therefore a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3, c is equal to 3. Understand? So now what is the formula for this? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b is minus 4 root 3 plus minus b square. B value is 4 root 3 square. 4, a is 4 and c is 3 upon 2a minus 4 root 3 plus minus 4 square 16 3 square cancel. 16 3 is 48 minus 48. Clear this? I think clear. 4 root 3 square 4 root 3 4 root 3 4 4 is 16 root 3 3 From 9th class, you know very well. So 48 minus 48 upon 2 4 ja 8. Now minus 4 root 3 plus minus 0. So 0 root is 0. So this is it. Now what is the method? If plus minus is there, don't say only one value will come. You take two parts, one value with plus positive sign, second value with minus, in this way. So minus 4 root 3 by 8, and this is minus x is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja. So x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. X is equal to minus 2 root 3 by 2. Here you can see 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja. Then here minus root 3 by 2. Now these are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Understand? Now one thing you will see, I am getting the two same roots of the given equation, and then you see power is 2, then two roots are coming. Understand? Don't say sorry to plus minus 0, then only one term you write. No need to write only other two parts. No, because two parts are there. Power is 2, then two roots will come. Now, before in last sum, we have solved by quadratic formula. You have got the two different answers. But here, you are getting two same answers. Hear this. So, my dear students, before starting the question also, I can tell whether the roots will come distinct or different. Tomorrow we'll do this. So how I will tell the roots are different, equal, or maybe not possible. So with this, you see, this b square will tell whether roots will come or not. B square minus 4ac you can find first. Clear this? And he has given the name also. B square minus 4ac, its name is given D, that is called discriminant. Tomorrow we'll discuss, but now today you have to learn this only. B square minus 4ac you find out first. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then what you say? Roots are real and distinct. Distinct means different. First you find out b square 4ac in this way. Now second, if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Real and equal will come. Now you see, you have got b square minus 4ac. Here b square minus 4ac is 0. If 0, then you are getting two same roots. Understand? If b square 4ac is 0, then roots are real and equal. And here, if b square 4ac greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct means different. And third, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, if negative will come. Understand? For example, d is coming minus 11, b square 4ac is coming minus 11. Then you will say roots are not possible, equation has no real roots. So therefore you say no real roots. Understand? So tomorrow again we'll do maximum question on this. Thank you. Have a good day.